If you wish to cancel your Standard Chartered credit card online, follow these steps. Log into online banking. Visit the Standard Chartered Bank website or open their mobile app. Log in using your username and password. Access the credit card section. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section of the dashboard. Select the card you want to cancel. Request card cancellation. Look for the service request or card management option. This may vary depending on the interface. Click on Cancel Credit Card or a similar option. Follow the instructions to submit a cancellation request. You may be asked for details such as the card number and the reason for cancellation. Clear outstanding balance. Ensure there are no outstanding dues on the card. You might need to pay off the remaining balance before the cancellation is processed. Confirm and submit. Review the cancellation request. Submit the request and you will receive a confirmation email or message. Follow up. Standard Chartered might contact you for verification. Confirm your request to complete the process.